Welcome to this video on formatted output in Python. In this video you will learn various ways to format output which is displayed on computer screen. So let's get started. So very first question arises in your mind, what is the meaning of formatted output? So formatted output means printing a string which is aligned right or a left in a given character space. Say for example over here the Ajay is displayed right aligned. Here this same string is aligned on the left in a given character space. So how to print any string like this? Or say for example I want to print floating point number like this with 3 decimal point precision, or I want to print these numbers on left align, or say for example I want to print the triangle pattern like this. Say for example we want to print the floating point numbers with exponent with say small e or a capital E. These are the different formattings that we can do in Python. And now let us start with printing a single string using a print function. So already we know that we can print hello world using print function like this. In the second cell we have a variable message and hello world is assigned, and we pass this message as argument to print. Now suppose I have a string whose value is Ram, and I have other variable age is equal to 21, and I want to print like this: name colon 21 comma age colon 21. Means I want to print them in one single line. So we can print it like this. First let us start with the print function, then in single quote the string name with colon comma, then the variable which we want to print, that is a name, right? Name contains Ram, so here we want to print Ram, so the Ram is contained within this variable name, and then we want to print this comma and age. So comma and age is enclosed within a single quote like this, and then the age, that is 21, is contained within the variable 21, and hence that variable is specified over here. So let us take these two variables over here directly, fine, and let us run it. And now let us take this complete statement over here, fine. So we can see that we are getting the output in the same format as we have desired. So here is a second way of printing the output in the same format. So over here just we start with letter F within the print function, and then we have the complete string over here within single quote. Now here first we have the string name colon, and then variable which contains the Ram, right, which contains Ram. So it is enclosed within the curly bracket. Then we want a comma, string age, and then we want age of a person. So age variable is enclosed within the curly bracket, and let us run this. So we can see that we are getting the same output: name is equal to Ram, age is equal to 21. So here what we can do, if we can keep some more space also like this, so we get the same space over here. Here as we have more space over here, so after comma we have space over here, then we are getting the same. There is a third way to get the output in the same format. It is similar to previous one. Here we have a string which is enclosed within single quotes. So here we have name colon, in curly bracket 0 comma, then the string age colon, and then in curly bracket 1. So within this dot format function we have to specify all the parameters that we want to print, and the position of the first argument to this format function is 0, and position of the second variable is 1, and so on. So this 0 and 1 represent the positions of argument which is specified as argument to this position. So 0 means name, 1 means age. Now let us run it, fine. And if you want to keep more space between this, then just keep more space over here, so we will get more space between. And if we don't want any space over here, then remove space from here, and we will get both the variables nearby. Let us see how we can print value of x and y using this both the ways. Let us use the format option F to print value of x and y. X is equal to, we want to print x, and then say for example let us have a comma, print y is equal to, in curly bracket, y. What we need is we need to define the value of x and y over here like this. We need to assign value of x and y, and now let us run again. So we can see that x is equal to 5, y is equal to 8. Let us print this output using the last option, that is this one, right? So here what we need is print, and within print we have to specify this single quote, and over here dot, then format. Fine, and format, we should have a format function like this. So over here we have what we have to specify the string that we want to print, and then we need to specify the position number, right? So over here what we have x and y to be printed. So here we need x and equal to, and in curly bracket, instead of writing this variable we can specify the position 0. Fine, then comma, right, and then the second variable name, then equal to sign, then curly bracket, and 1, right? So 1 is a position of y, 0 is a position of x, and now let us print the value, right? So we are getting the same.